fun with polynomials. Remember, what is a polynomial? It is when you have any term in the form of a times x to the n, where a is the coefficient, x is the variable, and n is the non-negative integer. So, first of all, we're going to play this little game. Is this a polynomial? First case. X. Is x a polynomial? Let's see. Is it in the form of ax to the n? Is there an a? Yes. 1, x is the variable, n, what is the n? Another 1. So, yes it is. Next case. Is this a polynomial? We have a, which is -3. A is the variable, and the power is 31. So, yes. What about this? 17m squared n squared plus 2/5 m. We have the coefficient, variable power plus. We have coefficient, it's a fraction, it counts, and a variable. Yes. So how about this next one? 4x to the 5th, that is, yes, a polynomial. 15x to the -8. This is negative. A negative power is not allowed. So this is not a polynomial. Here we have 15 square root of x minus x. Well, we know x is a polynomial, x squared is a polynomial, and we have 15 square root of x. So let's write this in a form that we recognize. That would be also 15x to the 1/2. Here we have a non-integer, so this does not count. This is not a polynomial. Last one, guys. So here we have 21 divided by x. Is this a polynomial? Let's write this again in the form that we recognize it. 21 times x to the -1. So when you divide by a variable, it is not counted as a polynomial. All right, so now to the problems. We want to subtract this phrase from this phrase. So what comes first? This is subtracted from the second part. So we write this first. So we'll write this phrase in parentheses. Because we will be subtracting the second phrase, also written in parentheses. Remember that this subtraction sign is going to be applied to each of the terms in the second phrase. So the subtraction sign will make each of these symbols become the opposite of what they are. So then you just regroup so you can simplify this expression. Starting with the highest powers to the least powers. So here I have a squared, and I find another a squared. Here, plus 5a squared. Next term would be a plus a minus 3a plus 5 plus 8. We further simplify by combining like terms. We have minus 7 plus 5, minus 2a squared, plus a minus 3a, minus 2a, plus 5 plus 8, plus 13. Final answer. Okay, so next type of problem is to solve by simplifying. Here you see that we have a phrase and an equal sign with something on the other side. So we can actually solve for what this variable is. First, we apply what we just learned. We're going to apply this negative sign to each term. So we would rewrite this again as 4y plus 14 minus 10y plus 3 equals 73. Combining like terms, we have 4y minus 10y plus 14 plus 3 equals 73. 4y minus 10y minus 6y plus 17 equals 73. So then we just have to balance this equation to solve for the variable. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember that the biggest mistake is not making a mistake at all. Thanks for watching. Bye.